Hi all, I've had some questions lately regarding caffeine and the effects on sport performance. So I thought I'd address a few things via video so you can refer back to this whenever you need to. I want to go over some benefits, some disadvantages of caffeine use, who could benefit from it, and some NCAA guidelines on the use of caffeine. There's evidence to support caffeine's benefits for both physical and mental performance. But the timing of when you consume caffeine, how much you consume, and the form you consume it in should all be carefully considered. If you regularly consume 200 to 300 milligrams of caffeine a day, which would be about a few cups of coffee, you may not see an effect on you at all. And if you want to see some benefits, then I would recommend to not take any caffeine whatsoever about 10 days before a game. That way you can maybe see some benefits. Okay. Some benefits of caffeine that have been seen throughout research are that it may increase metabolic rate. It may increase the intensity of your workouts. It can increase the B endorphins in blood plasma, which can reduce muscle pain and fatigue. It is also shown to improve endurance exercise, but there is conflicting evidence, just like everything else, and there are some disadvantages. Some disadvantages that caffeine could bring, well, one, it's addictive if you use it every day, and if you consume it in large amounts, you could experience anxiety, restlessness. It may intensify dehydration. It could prevent you from sleeping well. You could experience migraines or headaches, and it actually may reduce cognitive and physical performance. Research has shown that caffeine may benefit strength, power, and endurance athletes, and since you basketball players would fall under that, if you are wanting to take caffeine supplements as an ergogenic aid, then consuming about maybe 2 to 6 milligrams of caffeine per kilogram of weight might benefit you. Taking it about an hour before game time could be a good time to take it. But you do have to keep in mind that caffeine is a banned substance. It's a stimulant. So when it comes to the NCAA, you need to make sure that you are careful with consuming caffeine. If you exceed about 15 micrograms per milliliter of urine, then it would result in a positive drug test. So you just need to make sure, and keep in mind that that would be about 500 milligrams, which could be up to 6 to 8 cups of coffee. So just be mindful of how much you consume if you're going to.